Hey guys, it's me, Cassandra Aber. Today I'm going to be doing, not exactly the baby food challenge, but I'm going to be eating my brother's baby food. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to try this rice, banana, apple, oatmeal. Got my water. Okay, let's do it. Sorry, this is really loud. Annoying. Okay, so just bite. This is what it looks like. Tastes okay, but tastes a little plain. Definitely really good. Okay. Number 2 is going to be DHA and probiotic rice. I had way too much. It's a lot. Oh well. I didn't realize that. Okay, so let's get some water. I'm trying to make this video not too long because I don't have a lot of percentage left on this. Okay. So, add more. That might be good. Maybe that's a little too much. Okay, so now I'm going to stir. The reason why they have HDA is my brother gets so much excited you think he has HDA. Okay, so it's like mushy like this, and it's like the texture of mashed potatoes. It's okay, but it doesn't taste like anything. I could eat the rest. Challenge myself. Not anymore. I don't want any more. I'm gonna try baby ravioli. Baby ravioli. Let's look at the spoon. And now, I'm gonna try the oatmeal. I actually tried the oatmeal before. It tastes like exactly like the rice, so I'm not gonna do it. Alright. Now, use the strawberry apple puffs. So I'm gonna eat a few of these. Got 5. No. Yeah, I guess. I was gonna save my favorite for last. These are my favorite. They're so good. They taste like, they don't taste exactly like strawberry and apple, but they do taste like really yummy puffs. I don't know how to explain them. But now, we're going to try these. Oh, sorry about this is in the way. That's the food. I'm going to try these. And I'm going to try the pear, purple carrot, and blueberry first. See how that tastes. I'm just going to wipe this off. Just made a little spot. Okay, so. Oh my god, you guys, that looks disgusting. I'm going to tell you guys how it tastes. Oh, it doesn't taste good. Ew, it looks like jelly. It's not too bad, but it tastes weird. Okay. I'll finish it though. If you just don't focus on it, that it's not baby food, it doesn't taste bad. If you really focus on what's in there and it's baby, and you focus on this baby food, it tastes worse. Okay, now, I don't know why I just said no. I'm gonna try banana and pumpkin. These are like to go. That looks like poop. Oh my god, you. Okay, so. Oh, this is what it looks like. Just focus on that it's not baby food. Focus that it's not baby food. I like it. It tastes weird. It tastes sour. It tastes like you dipped a Sour Patch Kid in carrot juice. Like literally, that's what it tastes like.
Can you spell that for me?
Okay. So, now I'm going to try these. The Puffs apple sweet potato. It looks so good. It tastes okay. It tastes like really sour apples. Pretty good. Yep. So now we're out. Oh. Now we're gonna try some applesauce. Just open the container. Yeah, that's what I like to do. Okay. Okay, so applesauce. Oh, I forgot to show you what it looked like. It's a regular applesauce, and it tastes like regular applesauce. Yummy. Okay. I'm really tired today. I woke up at 6:30 on Saturday and Sunday. I didn't get to sleep in the weekend. And the last item that we have is these Puffs veggie dip. So, let's get started. These look so good. Yum. They're my favorite. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe and comment what is your favorite baby food, or if you tried any baby food before. Let us know in the comments down below. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.